Hello. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a new video and we're in a new outdoor hiking. I gotta say that I miss you so much because it has been a long time. It's been a long time we didn't went in a hike, and that really is so sad because I missed, and my fat were saying to me that they were asking me to go in a hike. Okay, so anyway, you gotta know that I was busy really with the study and much things, and I don't know, my English is just like I forget the words because it has been a long time I didn't talk English, and that's why. So I gotta speak and I gotta communicate with people because I really need it. I'm in a native traits. Is that right? Okay. Uh, so we're gonna make an campfire, and also we're gonna make our dinner, and we're gonna survive here till the evening. Then we're gonna back to our home. So let's go and check our beautiful forest and our beautiful view. So yeah, let's go. I'm really so thirsty. That's good. Now I'm good. So essentially we got our fire here, as like you're saying, the campfire. And now the next move is I forget. Really? Okay. Do you see these? These vegetables. Actually, no, I don't mean the vegetables. I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna cook. So what I'm gonna cook actually is that one potatoes is we're gonna make the fries, and also we got, I don't know what they call it, but you gotta see it, and one onion, and we also got a little from chicken, just like, I don't know, the arm of chicken. So it's gonna be really a good meal, and we got our bread here, and that's it. We got actually tea, but tea after we're gonna eat the fucking meal. Then we're gonna, oh, sorry, just like, you know, I don't know what they call it in English. So yeah, I'll let you right now with the video. So yeah, I'm sorry because it's literally how we gonna say British, literally, just like, you know, it has been a long time, as I said, so that's why, just like I haven't communicated with people that they are talking English, so that's the reason behind why I'm really stopping then, God, you know. So as you're seeing here, this is what we got actually. We got, I forget to mention the tomatoes. Also we got like this, the arm of the chicken. And yeah, so we're gonna put it on the fire. Then we're gonna cook it and make on it spices, some spices. Okay, this is good. So actually we got these, I don't know if you can see me, but it's okay because we're gonna put little of oil. Only a little. Okay. Then we're gonna put some salt. And I don't know how did they do that. I think so. If you can see this, I don't know. It's the salt and also something else. I just forget what they call it. I knew it and I forget the word. So I'm gonna put it in the screen. It should be spicy good. And also, wait. I'm gonna explain something. It's really important. You know what? I just like, you can see me. The fucking. But we need to buy. So I started thinking that I need to open my channel. I will be got 2 channels. Or I think that I'm gonna need, no, okay, let's be real a little. So I think just only because, you know, as my channel just like focusing about only the forest and woods and outdoor adventures, hiking, I gotta share everything with you as like, you know, funny moments, funny things, the outdoor adventures, the hiking, and also vibes like, you know, chilling in somewhere or exploring new cities, you know, all of these, because as you know, the name of my channel is Serenity, and Serenity, you gotta explain it, but I think I'm gonna explain these word what is mean in another video, because serenity has a name and has actually a good meaning. So yeah. Anyway, I think, as I said, because I'm studying the hotel is thing, cooking, patisserie, and so many things. So I think I'm gonna start sharing with you videos from home, like how to make a meal or something, like Mexican meals, Italian meals, things like that. It's the kitchen, and yeah, let's go now back to our main topic. I think you know what? It's my first time cooking something like that in this pan, or what they call it. It's not a pan actually. We gotta say another name, because I actually not pan. Anyway, it's really amazing when I cook. I don't mean that I haven't cooked it in home. I was cooking fries on it in home, but I didn't experience it yet to cook something like that, chicken and onion in it. So it's my first time bringing it to the forest, and we're gonna experience if it's really too amazing. Yeah. Man, this is what we call it, fries in the woods. I really like it. I really like it. Look at the view. Look. This is much beautiful, really. I just like it. I don't know why I like it. So yeah, hope you like it too. We got our food here, like you're saying. It's cooked. We're just waiting for the fries to put it on the fries, because the fries with this is gonna be really delicious. Yeah.